Everyone, it's Adam Arnold from Web Profit Maximizer, and I just wanted to create a real quick video for you so you can have a reference after our talk at General Assembly last night about creating lead generation campaigns. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the Create button, and then once we've done that, we're going to put in a name for our ad, and then we're going to choose the style of ad that we want. So we're going to choose lead generation here. So you choose lead generation, and then we're going to create the ad set, which is, remember, this is going to be where our targeting is at, and choosing your Facebook page, and then we're going to create the ad, and this is where our creatives are at. Okay, click Save to Draft. Now that's saved to draft. We're going to not work on the campaign level. We're going to go to the ad set. And from here, this is where, again, you choose your page. You can choose your budget, your start date, your end date. This is where you choose your custom audience as if you have one. This is where we put in our locations. This is where we put in the detailed targeting, the interests, the behaviors. This is also how we can exclude certain audiences as well. You can save this audience if you want to use it for the future. This is where you can edit those placements, as I was talking about, if you wanted to remove it from, as an example, Instagram and only show it on Facebook. That's where you do that from. And this is the area here where I said leave it alone, but if your ad's not showing, you can choose accelerated. So that is the ad set. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come back up to the top. Now we're going to go into the ad, and we're going to create the creatives. And you'll notice that it says the ads reach may be slightly lower because there's too much text on the image. So we're going to clear that image. And here's, or you choose again your Facebook page. This is the Instagram page. And now we're going to choose an image or a slideshow or a video. In this case, we're going to select the image. And remember, this is the ideal. So we'll choose image. And Facebook gives us some stock images that we can choose. So I'll just use this one. Okay, and confirm. And remember the 20% rule, you can't have more than 20% text on there. And even though this image isn't the recommended size, it'll still work. Facebook will resize it for the ad. And then this is where you're going to put your text up here. This is your headline. And this is your news feed description. I'm just putting generic text in here so you can see it. So the text that we put here is what turns up here. There's our image. The headline turns up right here. And the news feed link description shows here. We are currently looking at this as if it was on desktop. If we look at it as if it's on mobile, that oftentimes this will disappear. It does actually still turn up here. So there you go. That's the actual steps. Now, the last part is we need to create the lead form. So we're going to click on there, next, and now we can change this image if we want to. We can add some information here. And you'll see that that's changed that over there. We can add in more information here. See, let's change that. And then you can see down here, we've got email and full name. We're going to go to the questions area. We can now choose phone number. We can choose whatever else, and we can even create a custom question if we want to. This is where you put your privacy policy. And then on the thank you screen, you can choose website, download, or call business. Someone asked a question about calling the business. You can set that so that after they've filled in the forms, you can also have them call your business as well. All right, so that is your lead generation ad, and then you're going to click Save and Finish. In this case, I'm just deleting it. And that's got this ad all set up, and you can see it's an error because I didn't put a lead form in there. Okay, so there you go. Just a quick run through of the entire process from start to finish. Thank you.